Hi everyone, I'm Greta from Armenia. I have been engaged in the field of non-governmental organizations for already 4 years. I have been the associate coordinator and fellow of Hansen Leadership Institute program at the University of San Diego. Also, I have worked at the National Democratic Institute's Katarina Women's Political Leadership program for more than 4 years. And currently, I'm working at the 405 Educational Alliance, contributing to the educational reforms in Armenia. It's my pleasure to be present here at the Kektel conference as a speaker and talk about the role and effectiveness of international organizations. And I'm very thrilled to see so many young and strong women leaders from different parts of the world. And my main message to these women leaders would be to continue being active and contribute to peace building and contribute to the positive changes not only in their own countries but in the region and in the whole world.